Alright, so thank you very much everyone to gather here for this finals. It was an exciting game. Congratulations to V11CC for winning this final, and a very good game of display from Royal Titans as well. Both the teams played excellent cricket throughout the tournament to reach the finals, and from the organizing perspective, I thank all the players from both the teams to be available for the final and putting up a great show. So big round of applause for all of you guys. So we are going to start with the presentation ceremony for this particular tournament. We are going to start with the man of the match for today's game, today's final, and that's Mohammad Wasim Jan from V11CC. Alright, so the next award that we have is for the best batsman of the tournament. It goes to Musa Khan Swati from Royal Kings 11. In 8 innings that is played, scored 336 runs with an average of 56. So he's not available at the moment. The next batsman who scored the maximum runs was Nurul Aslam from Royal Titans. And third top batsman in the tournament was Vibhor Sai from V11CC. Nurul Aslam played 10 innings, scored 326 runs, and Vibhor played 7 innings, scoring 312 runs. So a round of applause for you guys as well. The next award that we have is for the best bowler award, and that goes to Amjad from V11CC. Alright, so after the best bowler award comes in the maximum sixes award. The entire tournament we have seen a lot of big hitting from many players. The standout performer for this award is Vibhor from V11CC. In 7 innings that he's played, he has got 25 maximums. Alright, so the next award that we have is for the player of the tournament. The person who has been standout performer throughout the entire tournament, and that is Nurul Aslam from Royal Titans. So now we have a special award, for the captains from both the teams. It's basically a token of appreciation from the management of Power Play and Tetra tournaments. We understand being a captain, it is quite important to gather your team, keep your team motivated throughout the tournament. Make sure that your team is together in all the games that you guys have played. There may be upsets, there may be downs, there may be matches that you guys have lost, but keeping the team together is a big task, and we value that leadership from the captain. So we'll call captain from Royal Titans, Jishnu Kutti, to come up here and collect this token of appreciation from us. Alright, and now it is Fujail Faruqi from V11CC to come up and receive this token of appreciation. Leadership appreciation. Alright, so now we will call up every member from the Royal Titans team to come up here and collect their medals. Okay, now is the time for giving away the runners-up trophy. So captain from Royal Titans, Jishnu Kutty, will request him to come up and receive the runners-up trophy, please. A quick word we'd like to have with Jishnu. So, an exciting final that we had. It was a little tough on your side to lose out on this final, but amazing cricket played throughout the tournament. Your boys, showed the way how cricket has to be played. And as the organizing point of view, we were quite happy to have you into our tournament. So, any words from your side about the tournament that you played for us?
I first want to say congratulations to VLCC. I think they played awesome cricket, even the last match and today. I think they had, even though they had a slightly shaky start, I think those two guys came in and they took sort of the game away. 200 was a little bit on the higher side for us to be chasing on a final, but for us to get to this point, I think we played very good cricket. Even after losing the first qualifier with these guys, we came back really strong with Altair Chemicals and managed to get to this point. So hard luck, it happens, yes, sometimes it happens, we'll come back strong. I would like to have a word to give you guys a bit of appreciation. I think this tournament, the way you guys have organized is very good. It's really good. We've played a lot of tournaments and I think this one is high up there. So good stuff for that. Alright, congratulations guys.
Thank you, Jishnu, for your kind words. And now it's the time for the winning team. Players, you can come one by one to collect your medals. Alright, so now is the time for the winners trophy to be given away, and we would like to call up Fujail Farooqi to come up and collect his winners trophy. Champions for Power Play Weekday Cup Season 9, V11CC. Alright, so a quick word with the captain of the winning team, Fujail Farooqi. So, how was this entire tournament for you guys being champions? And the entire tournament you guys played, a lot of boys showed exactly how the game has to be played. Excellent performances from many of the players. तो आपकी तरफ से आपका क्या थॉट है पूरे टूर्नामेंट के बारे में? आपकी तरफ से सुनना चाहेंगे.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, hard luck, Team Royal Titans, one of our favorite team. We are playing a lot of games last few years, But this tournament is very amazing for Noor, especially Noor. What a performer for whole tournament. Vishnu, all of the players, very good fighting team. And first regarding our team, सबसे पहले विभुर आउट ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट जो उसने खेला आज अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं हुआ। और सबसे मेन थिंग अभी नए लोगों की हम बात करेंगे ना, अयान खान, जैसे हमने उसको बाद में ऐड किया। अयान को नए यंग है, हमारे साथ खेल के बहुत सी चीज़ सीख रहे हैं, हमारे प्लेयर भी उससे सीख रहे हैं। तो बहुत आउट ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस, बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस थी उसकी, उसके वजह से बहुत से मैच हमारे हुए, नो डाउट। उसके साथ में वसीम, आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्मेंस आज पूरे टूर्नामेंट में वसीम ने जो आज वसीम और उमर की जिस हिसाब से हमारे विकेट कोलैप्स हुए थे, फिर बाद में वसीम और उमर ने जो बैटिंग की अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। और सबसे मेन थिंग जो बेस बनाया विक्की भाई ने, जो जाके आउटस्टैंडिंग बिल्कुल धमाकेदार जो पारी उन्होंने खेली है ना, नो डाउट। और उसको अच्छा फिनिश किया, अनिल ने फिनिश किया, और बाद में वसीम, उमर बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग की, नो डाउट। बॉलिंग पार्ट में अमजद और स्टार्टिंग में तो अयान ने जो टर्निंग किया, फिर बाद में वसीम उसके साथ सपोर्ट आया, फिर आरिफ अदवान अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग की और उसका सपोर्ट किया अमजद ने। तो थ्रू आउट द टूर्नामेंट बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिला, और नए लड़कों को जो हमने अपनी मिस्टेक्स थी वो रेक्टिफाई की। पूरे V11 का, जैसे मैं पहले भी कहता हूँ कि V11 मतलब वी, हम सब 11, V11 मतलब हम 11 हैं, तो 11 का इफेक्ट लगता है ग्राउंड पर, और वो हमने करके दिखाया। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह थ्रू आउट, जैसे स्टार्टिंग में मोइन भाई ने, विभुर ने स्टार्टिंग में सेंचुरी की अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। आज हमारा एक प्लेयर, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेयर लिस्ता अब्दुल रहमान, अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसकी इंजरी हुई कल, इसके लिए वो आज फाइनल ज्वाइन नहीं किया। बट ओवरऑल सारे प्लेयर ने बहुत अच्छा टूर्नामेंट खेला। और स्पेशल इस टूर्नामेंट में हमारे लिए गेस्ट थे जिमी भाई, जो टीम को बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला जिमी भाई से, और सब लड़कों ने अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छा किया। तो इनको लीड करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ऐसे भी आगे भी हम कंटिन्यू करते रहेंगे। वेल प्लेड अगेन V11।
अच्छा, टूर्नामेंट के बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? अपनी टीम के बारे में तो आपने बहुत तारीफ कर दी, टूर्नामेंट के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
टूर्नामेंट अच्छा था, इसके लिए हमने सेकंड टूर्नामेंट आपका पार्टिसिपेट किया। पूरा टूर्नामेंट एम्पायरिंग ग्राउंड, स्पेशली चाचा जो पिच पे काम करते हैं, सबसे मेन थिंग हम उनको भूल जाते हैं। तो चाचा जो है इस ग्राउंड की सबसे मेन जान चाचा है, जो दिन रात मेहनत करके हमको इस ग्राउंड पे इतना अच्छा ग्राउंड तैयार करके देते हैं। बाकी एम्पायर पैनल आपकी तो सबसे मेन इम्पोर्टेंट है आपका, तो आपका रोल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था जो इस टूर्नामेंट को इतना सक्सेस, इतनी टीमें आई, अच्छी टीमें आई और हमको खेलने को मिला। और हमारे स्पेशली कैंटीन वाले भाई ये भी बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं, तो थैंक यू वेरी मच आपका कि जो एक कैंटीन का अरेंजमेंट भी आपने किया हमारे लिए, बहुत बहुत थैंक यू।
Alright, so I would like to call upon the entire team V11CC.
अहमद